What up, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we're here in San Diego Mission Beach area. We're going to be riding our Super 73s. Just going to be me and my dad doing some breakfast and some e-bike riding around the island, around San Diego. That's it, let's get it. Got the Super 73 S2 today in the RX. Hopefully we're going to try to go to Fiesta Island, somewhere I haven't been, to bike the sand area. So you would push that button, that's your power button right there. Okay, so Fiesta Island Park is where we're going to try to go, and it says here from where we're at, it's 5.7 miles. And be safe and adjust your mirrors.
Yeah. There we go.
Hello.
Hello, dude.
Good, how are you?
Good.
All right. Yeah. Have a good one. You too. The man just said I'd trade you with his small BMX bike. All right, beautiful San Diego. Let's go. Man, I've always considered living in Hawaii, and if not Hawaii, definitely San Diego. It's just so much spots, so much to see here, and I've been here like well over 8 times already, and I haven't visited everything. Just a lot to see in San Diego. And I've always liked the water area. We're gonna stick around the bike lane here, get some views, take some pictures, just have a touring leisure ride, showing my dad, actually, and myself. Nice areas here for sure. Okay, picture spot. Looks nice. Like, as busy as San Diego is, you'll always find an isolated spot. That's what I love about San Diego, by the water. Alright, crossing the bridge. Still 5 miles away from the Fiesta Island area. Just chugging along here. There's like bodies of water everywhere you look in Mission Bay area. Really love that part. Everyone kayaking, kite surfing, sailing, paddleboarding, biking, fishing. So much activities, so much outdoor activities. Definitely fits my personality. We are on Perez Cove way, if I'm saying that correctly. Oh, Perez Cove way. That's where we're on. Avoiding the main street. Sticking on the bike lane area. SeaWorld. I think I've only been to SeaWorld once in my life. I think once is all you need in your lifetime. I think. I'm not sure if they're doing it. It doesn't feel like they're doing anything differently, you know? Just maybe newer tricks or what have you. I don't know. That's just my opinion on it. I'm losing my dad. My dad's literally just going 8 miles per hour. But we have manual bikers just blasting by us. After getting injured, I just don't think he has the confidence anymore. I feel bad, but at least he's out here. You guys okay?
Yeah.
Alrighty. I think folks they were doing some little bit of fixing up their bike. It's bike etiquettes to ask if people need assistance and what have you. Isn't it? Yeah, pretty sure it is. These people ask me if I'm okay, if I needed help or anything like that. That's a nice drone jet, or a flying jet. It looks like a toy jet for sure. Some kind of fighter jet.
Hey, turn right.
I think my dad would like to see that. We're gonna brake here. Did you see the jet? The fighter jet. It's a toy. I don't really see a lot of fighter jet plane, toy RC planes. Oh, there's a few of them just taking off. That's cool. They sound really cool. They sound much cooler than drones. To your left. Coming through.
Turn right, then turn
Who's controlling them? Trying to see who controls them. I guess there's an airport. There's an airport nearby? Yeah, I don't know if they can actually fly here. There's too much actual, airplanes or helicopters. No, there's 3. Huh? Look, there's 2 over there.
Oh, there's another one.
And then there's like a fighter jet somewhere. Oh, so that's the island we're going to. I've never been. We're gonna go that way and there. And then apparently you could just bike on the sand and drive.
You have your...
My map. We're 2.5 miles away.
Okay.
But that's called the Fiesta Island. They even allow like dog park off leash there.
Oh.
It's always been here. I've never gone in it. Yeah.
Okay.
Fellow Super 73. Finally see another one. There's also a nude beach, an optional clothing beach by San Diego. I think it's called the Blackstone Beach. Black Beach. It's by Torrey Pines, if I remember correctly. But wouldn't it be cool to bike by there? I just want to bike on sand. That's why I brought my Super 73s with the fattest tires that I have in the collection. Alright, here we go. Fiesta Island Road. Well, no overnight camping or tents. Yep, this is the first time we're here. Okay, I guess it's like a one-way off-road, off-road activity prohibited. I'm gonna act like I didn't see that. I guess it's a one-way kind of deal. And then you can loop around here and there. We're gonna look for like a nice sand area to bike on, but this one's a little bit rugged. Alright, I think I found the spot where most people are driving their cars on the sand. It's somewhat a little bit rugged still though. It's rugged. We'll get close to the sand as much as we can, where it's a little bit smoother on the sand. I mean, a little bit smoother by the actual water.
Island Road.
Yeah, I'll take a picture here, and you want to maintain your speed on sand because if you're too slow, you're gonna sink. Okay? But we're gonna take it easy. We're gonna go that way. I mean, it's not bad. It's gonna be fun. This is Crystal's favorite activity. Yeah. Yeah, we are sinking a little bit. But here we are. Sand riding. Try to go a little bit here. Here, this is like the sweet spot right here. This is the sweet spot. Whew. I told my dad he's gonna need some kind of speed, but he's... Alright. Alright, I think he's following me. Let's rip it up. Soggy. A little bit over there is a little too soggy for my taste. Oh, and plus we didn't really deflate our tires or anything. I'm not gonna deflate my tires just for a quick sand ride. How is it? Yeah, it's a little too soggy over there. You'd rather bike in the street? It's fun riding on the sand.
Yeah, I know, but this thing like that.
Yeah, it's the fun part. Okay, we're gonna go that way and out to the street. Okay? Well, he has an S2, so he doesn't really have suspensions in the rear. So sand riding wasn't as fun as Pismo Beach, Oceano Dunes, from my experience. Seems like it's not as like level here in this area. A lot of obstacles to watch out for. It's not really open the way Oceano Dunes is. Like, you can see how choppy this area is. But here's the off-leash dog park area. That's really cool. So it is gated after all. I thought, I was wondering how they contained the dogs in one area. It's a huge dog park. Yeah, go fast a little, Dad. We're finally going over 28 miles per hour. I don't really know what's in the middle of the island. It's like no one's, everything is like blocked in the middle of the island. There's like no entrances. Looks, maybe hiking trails though. I think I saw a person just walk in. I'm really curious to what's inside the middle. This is exit. But give me 2 minutes. I just want to see what's here, okay? Alright, be right back. Yeah. I just saw a person hiking this way. And I just want to peek what the heck is in the middle of Fiesta Island. Whew. Oh, this is sweet. It's like a whole, like, nice area where you can bike on. And then it seems like it's smoother. Yeah, it's like secluded and smoother. Let me rip it up. Hello.
Hi.
Do you go here often?
About once or twice.
Yeah? Is there like cool spots? I've never been here.
For like bike riding and
Or yeah, like anything to like sightsee around here? I'm just curious.
on the island?
Yeah, I've never been here.
I'm not really sure. I just come in the middle with my dog.
Oh.
It's too busy over there.
Oh yeah.
I know that sometimes they do have like courses set up.
Oh, cool.
So,
Okay.
like,
Okay. Well, thank you. Have a good one. It's very secluded, like you said. Nice. So sometimes they have like horse stuff going on here. I just wanted to ask a local because, yeah, it's undeveloped here almost. Like I can't bike. Not a lot of places to bike on. It's one of those like you feel like you shouldn't be there, but my adventurous part wants to just, see what's here while we're here. Anyhow, let's get back to my less adventurous dad. I mean, like, I just want to just see what's here too. Before I do that, let's see what's this way. Whew. Oh yeah. It's just like nice hiking trails from what it seems like. Like sand and dirt, but much nicer to ride on than the sand actually. Much smoother, if you're curious what's in the middle of the island. It's just some dog walkers here and there. Really nice if you have like an RX. I think even the S2 would be able to do this. Cool. So that's what it is. That's what it looks like in the middle of the island. Kind of makes you feel like you're not in the beach anymore. It's like a nice hiking area.
Oh, hiking area.
It's so much more smoother than here. Yeah, and it's secluded. There's only like few dog walkers there. All right, we're gonna head back, do breakfast, 4.4 miles away, and call it a day, and maybe bike in the afternoon with Crystal. We'll see how that goes. He really likes planes. He wanted to be a pilot and said he became like a construction worker, but he knows a thing or two about flying planes. So it was really nice to be here to see the fighter jets and all kinds of different RC airplanes. I think that's a cool hobby too. Alright folks, that's going to be in today's e-bike adventure. We're pretty much where our Airbnb and restaurant's going to be. Thank you for tuning in on today's San Diego adventure. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discount. Super73 Aerial Rider or a Bafang DIY mid-drive kit. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next one. Peace.